What's up guys, welcome back to McLaren Media. We are here at Castle Combe for the Adam LZ World Tour.
You should have heard the people again. They were like, "Oh, I love your bag." And I was like, "Oh, thank you."
What?
Like, how do you make it? I was like, "Oh, I just cut the head off the teddy bear."
This is my sister, everyone. It's colossally difficult trying to do photos and video at the same time with these sort of things, so I'm employing my sister. Who I've said I'll buy her something later on in a takeaway. do, yeah. Usually she's the one that... I don't pay her. Don't tell her that. She's probably watching. She's definitely watching. Stop it. You best not be wasting... So I can't say no. I don't like it. Sounds about right. Well, let's be honest, this event's been planned for years and he hasn't. Oh, it's my favourite. Port van, get in. Let me guess, you've been put off by the price. Smile then. Can't show beers. Can't show beers ever. We got the telly box working. We got the telly box working. That is the man himself, Adam LZ. Another very famous name in the world of drifting, James Dean. And that mad device, the Defender drifting. Absolutely pretty mad creation, that 350Z, built for off-roading. It's very, very mad, that, very cool. Another one of my dream cars, however, I prefer the R33. I know that's probably quite controversial, but I do. I'm calling this Volvo out. The front part in front of the Sestino tyres has Nang tags. What? So guys, this brings me to the end of the video. That was going to see the Adam LZ World Tour at Castle Combe, and I must say it was amazing to see some of those cars. They are unbelievably quick, unbelievably good drifters. Really, really good event. Unfortunately, this is the Friday practice session, so I know the big event is tomorrow. I'm not going to that, but here's a little taster of what you could expect, you know, or what was there, because this video won't be coming out for another week. But yeah, really, really good day out. And unfortunately, that brings us to the end of the video. There will be photos from the event on my Instagram channel, or page, whatever. Link in the description. Go check them out, give them a like. They're probably going to be some at the end of this video too. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Pardon you. That was very nice. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, and I will see you in my next video. Keep enjoying your crusty, rusty, modified cars. A lot of people seem to love drifting.
you.